Let's talk about some of the key features of the Lascelles dual colour laser. So this is a relatively inexpensive unit. It's got semiconductor laser diodes in there, and that keeps the cost of the product down. It's called dual colour because we've got two different wavelengths, so we've got both red and green, and the laser comes out of these outputs on the back. So we've got green on top and red on bottom. Now we have gone to town with the safety features on this product, so let me tell you about them. Okay, so first off, we have got this big yellow caution sticker on the front, so that immediately tells you that you're handling a laser product. It also says on that sticker that the maximum power output is going to be less than 1 milliwatts, and that's really important because it means it's a class 2 laser and therefore it's safe to use in the student lab. Now I should point out that that maximum power output is for both red and green lasers combined. So even if a student was unfortunate enough to get both lasers in the eye at the same time, the power output is going to be low enough to avoid any damage. So secondly, we have got the safety key interlock down in this corner here. So to demonstrate that properly, I need to give the unit some power. So this takes 9 volts DC, and I'm going to plug that into the front of the unit here. So when this switch is flicked to off, it means that these two toggle switches don't do anything. No laser output. The unit is disarmed. However, when I get the key and I turn the interlock to on, you can see now that we have power, this LED has become illuminated, and now these switches will work. So if I turn both of them on and then shine it in my hand, you can see that now the unit is active and we've got laser output. So that's really important because it means that when the unit isn't in use, the teacher can simply turn it to off and this thing won't work anymore. So that is the safety features covered. So the last thing left to mention here is the laser modulation, which is this panel here. Now this only works for the red laser, and you can either have it on 1 megahertz internal, which essentially sends out the laser beam as pulses. So 1 megahertz means in every second you're sending out 1 million pulses, and you would collect the signal with the laser receiver. And you can monitor the output on this unit using these two terminals here by plugging it into an oscilloscope, and that's really important for speed of light calculations, which I'll show you how to do in another video. Or you can flick it over to external audio, and with that you would need to give it a signal with which to modulate the laser with. So you would need the Lascelles wireless amplifier, and you would connect this unit to this one using an auxiliary cable into this socket just here. So that's really useful for demonstrations like data transfer by wireless communications link, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. So in all, if you've got a customer that's looking for a safe laser that's capable of doing a little bit more than just speckle and diffraction gratings, then this is a really good option. You can buy different accessories for it, so it's an investment that you can build on in time. And to see this unit in operation, please check out my other videos. Thanks.